What's up everyone? So in this video I'm going to take you behind the scenes on how we created the March Farms video, which you might have seen on our Modern Day Touch channel, and then later on I'm going to take you inside and show you how we created some of these special effects for it. So let's check out the video now.
What's happening, guys? Marco is doing a couple weddings today.
Mobile Pub, hashtag Mobile Pub Events.com. We got Enzo today, thankful. Got a couple shots. We have 2 weddings up here at March Farms.
Yeah, where's my phone?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Hey, today I'm taking you to Bethlehem to a place called March Farms.
Left, I'm living for the weekend.
Hey, what's happening everyone? So I had the opportunity to go to March Farms this last weekend where 2 of my good friends who own Mobile Pub Events were hosting 2 wedding parties, and I had the opportunity to go in and grab some amazing footage, and I want to share all this footage with you. There's so much you could do at March Farms, whether you're going there for a wedding or you're going there with your family to pick pumpkins. Enjoy this next clip. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this clip, make sure you leave a comment below. Alright guys, so let's get started. So the first thing we did was we added this After Effects little animation that we created with After Effects, and this was inspired by Andreas Ham, who created this map using like a Google map type thing where it zooms in and zooms out from one location to another location. Some of the things that we did in this video here, for example, this right here was a transition that we did. We keyed out all these elements so that it transitions in the black there that you're looking at. What it does is it will transition to the image that's above it. We keyed out all this stuff frame by frame by frame, and if you notice here, we'll go back to the screen. You'll notice on the bottom of that we have a image or a video of the first image where it cuts in the person's putting stuff in the fire, and then if you cut here, you'll see that this is how it cuts from one angle to another. Okay, so it looks like the bag is cutting through the actual scene. As we move on here, on this scene specifically, we did a sky replacement, and we added these like pink skies, and we also, just because it was a gloomy picture and it just looked like it would have went well, so we did that. As we move on here, we did add a little animation that says March Farms on there on the grass. Some people might have noticed it, some people might have not. Now the music starts to pick up over here, so what we did was we went with the flow of the music. So these clips are really short, really fast, and they go with the flow of the music. Now with the fireworks scene, this was really a scene that a lot of people were asking. With the fireworks scene, same thing. We actually added these fireworks, and we did a keyframe to blend those in. The scene that we had was us zooming in from the grass with the lawn chairs up into the air. And what we did was we cut that. We cut this scene in half, and then on these two, what we did was we added the keyframes on here so that it cuts out right here and right here. So if you notice these we added a keyframe to cut the top part off, and that's when we added the fireworks, which the scene for the fireworks is pretty much just a normal scene from like New York City or something. So that's how we did this fireworks scene. And when you blend this together and you keyframe it, we used a luma keyer on this. Okay, so that's how we created this. So we used a luma keyer. You're able to remove the certain color of the screen, so we removed like the top part of the screen, and then we ended up blending this in, and that's how we created the fireworks. If this is something you guys want to see with the fireworks and luma keyer, I didn't create a video on this, but I will. Just leave it in the comments and I'll be happy to show you how we created that. End this video with another sky replacement. If you notice, we used the luma keyer on this. It fades into the scene of the clouds, and for that we really just use this right here. Yeah, for that we use this image right here. Okay, and we just cut the bottom half, and we pretty much, this is what it looks like with the luma keyer. What do we add here? A shape mask up top. We use a luma keyer on the bottom, and then this right here. And when you put it all together, you get that image right there. Okay, so that's how we did that. And again, I have a video on how we did the sky replacements. I'll leave that in the description. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. Now if you guys want to know how we created the GTA map in the beginning of the scene and how we created the sky replacement, I created 2 videos on that as well. I'll leave those in the description so you can check them out, and I'll leave them at the end of the screen as well. Also, I want to thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. And has a special thank you for subscribing to my channel. Check out the description. There should be a link that will take you to my website, and I'm giving away some complimentary vacation certificates, so go ahead and check that out. I'll see you in my next video.